In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create text that conveys yelling using a variety of methods. This is particularly useful when you're trying to craft emotionally charged dialogue or narration, so let's dive right in. To begin, if you want to emphasize yelling in your text, the simplest method is to write the words you want to be yelled in all capital letters and follow them with an exclamation point. This classic approach immediately signals to readers that the word should be imagined as shouted. For instance, you might write help to convey urgency and volume. This method can be highly effective when you need to get straight to the point. Next, it's helpful to add some narrative context to your dialogue. You can do this by preceding the text with phrases indicating shouting, such as she yelled or he shouted. This not only tells the reader how the words should be vocalized, but also adds a layer of storytelling. It paints a clearer picture by showing us the character's intentions and emotions, enriching the overall narrative. Another useful technique is to use double quotation marks around the text you want to be yelled, combining it with preceding context. This method works well because quotation marks naturally draw attention, and when used in a dialogue, they can help set the text apart as something special, a poignant moment that requires a raised voice or heightened emotions. If you're using the ElevenLabs V3 model, there's an advanced method you might consider. Insert shouts directly into the text where you want the yelling effect to occur. You can also opt for a combination of tags like angry shouts to add intricacy to the emotions being conveyed. This approach leverages the model's capabilities to communicate more than just volume. It allows for the expression of complex feelings through text. Now, let's talk a bit about voice and setting adjustments when using AI models. First, head over to your voice settings and lower the stability slider, aiming for a range between 0.30 and 0.50. Adjusting the stability can make the delivery of your text sound more emotional and dynamic, though bear in mind that it might also create a slightly less stable voice output. It's a trade-off, but one that often pays off in creating more engaging voiceovers. When selecting a voice, opt for one that inherently possesses an emotional range. Voices with such characteristics respond better to the yelling prompts and will naturally sound more convincing and compelling. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Generate the same text multiple times while tweaking settings like clarity or stability to find the result you like best. Experimentation is key. It helps you to discover what settings work best for your particular content. So that's it for today. With these strategies, you'll be well equipped to create text that effectively conveys shouting, whether you're writing a thrilling scene in a story or crafting a powerful narrative for your audio projects. Thanks for watching and happy writing.